Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to whiten teeth in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I drag and drag the image into Photoshop to open the image. This is an image I downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now close up to view the teeth. And then we can go to Layers window. If you don't have Layers window, we can go to Window and Show Layers here. Or we can press shortcut F7 show the Layers window. Now go back to Layers window and then we can go down to this button to add the adjustment layer, drag it, and then we can choose Hue and Saturation. Then Hue and Saturation layer is added. Next, we can go to Properties window and then we can go to here to change from master to yellows. Next, we can reduce the value in saturation. I use -100 and the lightness we can increase a bit. I increase to about 40. Next, we can select the before and after. We can see that yellow becomes white. But also we can change the background. If we want to keep the background yellow, we can go to invert the mask. I press Ctrl I, and then we can brush the mask in white. For example, I use the brush and make sure that we use the white color, and then brush the area that we want to make it white. After brushing, we can make the layer invisible to see before and after. So if we want to emphasize the effects, we can duplicate one more layer for hue and saturation. So this is how we can whiten teeth in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.